Hi, everyone. Thanks again for joining me. This is Anna from Westlaw, and I am here today to talk to you about how to create your Get Started toolbar that's running across the middle part of your screen. So if you haven't already, be sure to go and watch the How to Create Your Favorites video that I created. It's only about 5 minutes, so it's really easy and quick to watch. But you need to build out some favorites to create some of your links here on the Get Started toolbar. You don't have to, but for some of the specific databases, you do. So the Get Started toolbar is, again, just shortcuts to the favorite places that you like on Westlaw and want to use. This could be for classes, a memo, a brief assignment that you're working on, but you want to have quick and easy access to these databases all the time. You can change these out at any time that you want to. So your password is your password, so you can interchange these at any time. So if you wanted your screen to look somewhat like mine, you can click where it says Get Started Settings using the gear icon over on the right side of the screen. Now, the first way that you can add content to your Get Started toolbar is by utilizing the Westlaw directory, either by content type, federal materials, state materials, or by practice areas. But the one that I like is by using my favorites, because these will allow me to save big pieces of information like all federal cases or all Louisiana materials or all Florida materials, Alabama materials, whatever jurisdiction I was looking for, or by a practice area. So it's going to be a lot of content. But I want to save some specific singular databases. And that's why I built out some of my favorites already. And now I can add databases from my favorites onto my Get Started toolbar. So be sure to watch that How to Create Your Favorites, and then you can get your screen to look like mine in the sense of having favorites already added to your password. So you can have up to 5 different either content types, practice areas, jurisdictional materials, or 5 specific databases at one time on your password. So you can see here that under my favorites, I have things like Black's Law Dictionary, the federal rules, various restatements, various topical treatises, codes. So I can add all of these, or excuse me, 5 of these to my Get Started toolbar, but they always appear under my favorites. So if I want to add them or access them, they're always at the top of my screen. So let's say next semester, I'm going to be taking maybe constitutional law or evidence or something else. So I can always just take these out and then add something else to my password if I wanted to. Maybe I want to add the UCC or the Model Penal Code, click Save, and it will change out my shortcuts right here on the home page. So again, watch that first video and build out your favorites. You can see my favorites on my screen, see some of the favorites that I've added to my password and how to add those to your password. And then you can create your own Get Started toolbar and change these out so that they're right here on your screen. But your favorites are always right at the top at any time on your password. Thanks so much for watching, and keep watching for more helpful tips from Westlaw and from me, your academic account manager, Anna.